And here's normal speed. If you can do this, you could play it with the recording. Ready, go. Hey guys, in this video we're doing another riff trainer exercise. And you didn't think you were gonna get through a beginner guitar course without learning Smoke on the Water, did you? Yeah, right. That's a beginning guitar staple. It's like a tiger earning their stripes. It's a rite of passage. You have to learn it. You have to. Well, if you just play along to this video, hopefully you'll have it down in about 10 minutes. If you're new to this channel, my name's Taylor. I've been teaching guitar for about a decade. And the reason I started this channel is because I've taught a lot of people over the years who have tried to learn guitar from YouTube, and they all suffer from the same issues. The biggest one being that they'd never practiced to metronomes or songs, so they never develop the fluidity, and they just sound choppy, and they can't rely on their muscle memory. Does that sound familiar? If it does, then these videos are for you. It's kind of like a yoga or an exercise channel. If you want to practice guitar and you're not really sure what to do and you don't want to think about things too hard, just load up these videos, play along with me, do 2 or 3 of them, and that's great practice, and you will absolutely develop the muscles you need to get comfortable at guitar. Another reason I started this channel is because I noticed a lot of beginning guitar players can't keep up with a metronome, even if they try, and they don't even notice that they're not keeping up with it. However, if I played along with them, they'd be able to lock into it easily. I think there's a visual component to it, which is why I think these videos will really help you develop a sense of rhythm and, staying with a beat and stuff like that. All right, well, let's talk about Smoke on the Water. If you did the last 2 riff trainer exercises, we were working on riffs that move along one string, so we don't have to change too many finger positions. We can just use one finger and slide it around the fretboard, and that's nice. This one is going to use 2 strings, but it's still kind of the same idea. We're going to be going 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. But rather than just doing that on the 3rd string, we're going to do that on the 3rd and 4th string. So it's like this. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. And if you wanted to, you could even still use one finger. You would just have to lay it flat across both of those. Just takes a little bit of finesse, but it's technically more efficient. So first, we'll just kind of break this riff up into chunks. We'll do a little back and forth. I'll play the chunk so you can hear it, then you try and play it. I'll play it so you can hear it, then you try and play it. And we'll go back and forth 5 times. After we've done that with each of the chunks, then we'll try and put them together. I'll let you do it a few times at your own speed. And then we'll use my cheesy backing track that I made on my keyboard. And we'll start at half speed and gradually work our way up to full speed in 5% increments. It will be very tedious, but I promise this is how you learn riffs. This is how you learn songs. You just kind of have to embrace the grind, find the zen in just repeating these basic movements over and over again. And if you can do that and have a good time, then you will become a great guitar player. All right, enough talking. Let's start playing. Go grab a guitar, see if you can play along with me, and I bet you'll have this riff down in 5 to 10 minutes. So our first chunk is going to be this part, the 0, 3, 5. So I'll play it, then you play it, and we'll do that 5 times. So here's the first time. 0, 3, 5. Second time. 0, 3, 5. Third time. 0, 3, 5. Fourth time. 0, 3, 5. And then last one. 0, 3, 5. Doing this will help you develop the muscle memory faster because you're taking in less information. It's going to be a lot easier to memorize when you're not having to juggle so many different notes. All right, let's try the second chunk. It's going to be a lot like the first chunk, but we're just going to stick a 6 in there. 0, 3, 6, 5. Let's try that 5 times. 0, 3, 6, 5. 0, 3, 6, 5. 3 more. 0, 3, 6, 5. 2 more. 0, 3, 6, 5. Last one. 0, 3, 6, 5. All right, then our last chunk is going to be 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Let's try that 5 times. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. 4 more. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. 3 more. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. 2 more. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. And then last one. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. All right, then we put them all together. We got 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. All right, pause the video, try that a handful of times at your own speed, and when you're ready, unpause it, and we'll put you to the test. Try it with the backing track. All right, so when I start it, it's gonna give us a 4 count, and then it's gonna play the riff 2 times. See if you can get 1 out of the 2. We're not trying to get everything perfect just yet. You know, it's a refinement process. See if you can get it mostly correct most of the time, and then, you know, go back and see if you can do better and get both of them perfect. It's not about being perfect right from the start. It's about refining and improving pieces of it over time. All right, starting at 50%, here we go. Ready, go. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Ready, go. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. All right, now we're going to increase the speed just a little bit to 55%. Ready, go. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. All right, here's 60%. Ready, go. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. You're 65%. Ready, go. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. All right, here's 70%. Ready, go. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. All right, 75%. Halfway there. Ready, go. Here's Here's 80%. Ready, go. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. 85%. Ready, go. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. All right, final stretch. Here's 90%. Ready, go. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Just a couple more. Here's 95%. Ready, go. And here's normal speed. If you can do this, you could play it with the recording. Ready, go. All right, were you able to do it? I knew you could. I always believed in you, even when others didn't. Remember that. All right, the next step is to go to Deep Purple's official YouTube channel and go to the official video for Smoke on the Water and see if you can play along with that. It does it like 8 times in the intro, so you get a lot of opportunities to try it. If you can get 3 or 4 in a row, that's great. You could even adjust the speed of the song using the playback speed setting on YouTube videos. If you're not sure how to do that, I've done a whole video on how you can use YouTube videos to practice. So go check that out here or here. I'm not sure where they show up. And when you're feeling cozy playing with the recording, get some friends together and see if you guys can jam it live. It's way more fun to play with other people than it is to play with a recording. But it is more fun to play with a recording than it is to play by yourself in your room. So hopefully I'm giving you more options in how you have fun playing guitar. Well, if you did all of level 1 and you did all of level 2 and you're just salivating at the mouth for level 3, make sure you click these buttons. How am I going to know if you want level 3 unless you're clicking all the buttons? Don't click the dislike button. All the other buttons, fair game. Click them all. Smash them. Destroy those buttons. And after you've done that, then yeah, I'll post some more videos. Cool. See you in the next one. Bye.